So this is the Harley Nightster, and I just got off the Sportster, the S, and this one's, I guess, below the Sportster. So it's got, I think, a 900cc motor. Yep, I killed it. Man, I gotta get a little bit more throttle on it. Jeez. Whew. Oh, wow. He's only got 4 gears? No, there it goes. Man, I was trying to get it up into 5th and it wouldn't go up. I top-ended it where it just left. It did give me more power. Interesting. Yeah, I just put it into second, or into neutral. Jeez. This bike seat is real slippery too, so if I get on it a little bit, my butt's sliding back. Man, the clutch is real touchy. Real touchy. So no quick shift. That sucks, but oh well. I mean, it seems pretty agile. I mean, it feels good. Feels a lot better than the Sportster, that's for sure. I guess the blinkers go off after a certain period of time, which is a neat thing. Yeah, Harley sports bikes are not my thing. Like Sportsters, Nightsters, whatever. It's just, I don't know. It seems kind of clunky. Not a fan. I feel very comfortable keeping it up though. Yeah, I mean, it's got power, not as much as the Sportster, obviously, but it's got a little bit of power, you know. What in the world? I'm trying to get it in neutral and it just won't go. What the heck? I don't know, man. It won't go. All right, well, that's weird.